Future doctors, are you ready? Let's challenge your chemistry concepts with 25 high-yield S&P block MCQs for MDCAT. Which of the following elements belongs to the S block? Is it aluminium, magnesium, silicon, or chlorine? The correct answer is magnesium. Its last electron enters the 3 south subshell, so it belongs to the S block. Remember, S block includes groups 1 and 2. MCQ 2. What is the general valence shell configuration of group 1 elements? Choose carefully between NS2, NS2, NP1, NS1, and NS2, NP5. MCQ 10. Which of these is an alkaline earth metal? Sodium, potassium, calcium, or aluminium? The correct answer is calcium. Calcium belongs to group 2, whose general configuration is NS2. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. MCQ 4. Which group 1 element has the largest atomic radius? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or cesium? The correct answer is cesium. Atomic radius increases down a group because additional shells and shielding place the outer electron farther from the nucleus. MCQ 5. Which element has the lowest first ionization energy? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or rubidium? The correct answer is rubidium. Down group 1. Atomic size and shielding increase, so the outer electron is easier to remove and ionization energy decreases. MCQ 6. Which alkali metal reacts most vigorously with water? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or cesium? The correct answer is cesium. Alkali metal reactivity increases down the group because the outer electron becomes easier to remove. MCQ 7. Which alkali metal shows anomalous behavior compared with the rest of group 1? Sodium, potassium, lithium, or cesium? The correct answer is lithium. Its very small size gives it high charge density and polarizing power, causing it to behave differently from the other alkali metals. MCQ 8. Which compound is formed when sodium reacts with oxygen under suitable conditions? Sodium oxide, peroxide, or superoxide? The correct answer is sodium peroxide, Na2O2. Sodium commonly forms peroxide, while lithium mainly forms oxide, and heavier alkali metals readily form superoxides. MCQ 9. Which alkali metal forms a stable superoxide most readily? Lithium, sodium, potassium, or cesium? The correct answer is cesium. Larger cations can stabilize the relatively large superoxide ion, O2, more effectively. MCQ 10. Which of these elements has the highest electronegativity? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, or chlorine? The correct answer is chlorine. Across a period, effective nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases, so attraction for bonding electrons increases. MCQ 11. Which of these is a p-block element? Potassium, calcium, aluminium, or scandium? The correct answer is aluminium. Its configuration ends in 3p1, meaning its last electron enters a p subshell. Therefore, it belongs to the p block. MCQ 12. What is the general valence shell configuration of group 17 elements? Is it NS1, NS2, NP1, NS2, NP5, or NS2, NP6? The correct answer is NS2, NP5. Group 17 elements have 7 valence electrons and need 1 more electron to complete their octet. MCQ 13. Which of these is a halogen? Oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, or neon? The correct answer is chlorine. Chlorine belongs to group 17, the halogens, which are known as salt-forming elements. MCQ 14. Which halogen is the most reactive? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine? The correct answer is fluorine. Halogen reactivity decreases down the group, and fluorine has the smallest atomic radius and strongest attraction for an additional electron. MCQ 15. Which halogen has the highest electronegativity? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine? The correct answer is fluorine. It has the smallest atomic size and strongest attraction for bonding electrons, making it the most electronegative element. MCQ 16. Which of these is a noble gas? Fluorine, oxygen, neon, or chlorine? The correct answer is neon. It belongs to group 18 and has a completely filled outer shell, giving it high stability and very low reactivity. MCQ 17. What is the general valence shell configuration of noble gases? NS1, NS2, NP5, NS2, NP6, or NS2, NP3? The correct answer is NS2, NP6. This gives most noble gases 8 valence electrons and a stable octet. Remember, helium is the exception with a duet. MCQ 18. Which p-block element is a metalloid? Sodium, magnesium, silicon, or chlorine? The correct answer is silicon. It lies near the metal-non-metal boundary and shows properties of both, so it is classified as a metalloid. MCQ 19. Which of these oxides is acidic? Sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide, or sulfur trioxide? The correct answer is sulfur trioxide, SO3. It is a non-metal oxide and reacts with water to form sulfuric acid. MCQ 20. Which oxide is amphoteric? Sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide, or sulfur dioxide? The correct answer is aluminium oxide. Amphoteric substances react with both acids and bases. Remember the two classic examples, aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. MCQ 21. Which element has the highest second ionization energy? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, or silicon? The correct answer is sodium. After losing one electron, sodium becomes Na with a stable noble gas configuration. So removing the second electron requires very high energy. MCQ 22. Which group 2 element has the highest ionization energy? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, or barium? The correct answer is beryllium. Ionization energy decreases down group 2 because atomic size and shielding increase, making electrons easier to remove. MCQ 23. Which of these compounds is predominantly ionic? Carbon dioxide, methane, sodium chloride, or ammonia? The correct answer is sodium chloride. Sodium transfers an electron to chlorine, forming Na and Cl, which are held together by electrostatic attraction. MCQ 24. Which of these has the smallest atomic radius? Lithium, beryllium, boron, or carbon? The correct answer is carbon. These elements are in the same period. An atomic radius decreases from left to right as effective nuclear attraction increases. MCQ 25. Which statement about metallic character is correct? Does it increase across a period, decrease down a group, increase down a group, or remain constant? The correct answer is, it increases down a group. Atomic size increases, making the outer electron easier to remove. Metallic character therefore increases downward. High-yield trend map. Now memorize these major periodic trends. Atomic radius increases down and toward the left, while ionization energy and electronegativity increase up and toward the right. Remember these four families. Group 1 is NS1, Group 2 is NS2, Group 17 is NS2-NP5, and Group 18 is NS2-NP6. Quick revision. For S block, remember groups 1 and 2. For P block, remember groups 13 to 18, especially halogens in group 17 and noble gases in group 18. Periodic trends. Here's the easiest way to remember periodic trends. Atomic radius increases down and left, while ionization energy and electronegativity increase up and right. Don't confuse these trends. Alkali metal reactivity increases down, while halogen reactivity decreases down. Atomic radius and ionization energy show opposite trends. And that's the end of our S&P Block MCQs. Keep practicing these high-yield concepts, and best of luck to all future doctors preparing for MDCAT 2026.